Meaning of disconnection.
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 Disconnection. Disconnection refers to the state of being separated or detached from something or someone. It can describe a physical separation, such as a power cord becoming unplugged from an electronic device, or a social separation, such as feeling emotionally disconnected from a friend or loved one. The result of disconnection depends on the context in which it occurs. In some cases, disconnection can lead to negative outcomes, such as a loss of communication or feelings of loneliness. In others, it can be necessary for personal growth or a change in direction.